का अमृत महोत्सव।
Azadi Ka Safar with AIR News, Birth of a Nation. India's glorious freedom struggle is one of the greatest struggles the modern world has ever witnessed. AIR News brings you a glimpse of the struggle every day.
On 17th October in 1940, the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, had chosen Acharya Vinoba Bhave as the first satyagrahi to start individual satyagraha. It is said that if Mahatma Gandhi's political guru was Gopal Krishna Gokhale, then his spiritual disciple was Acharya Vinoba Bhave.
The movement of individual satyagraha was launched by Gandhiji as a protest against the British colonial government forcing India into the Second World War without the consent of the Indian people. By May 15, 1941, 25,000 satyagrahis had courted arrest and demonstrated the commitment of the people towards the freedom movement.
Acharya Vinoba Bhave went to jail for individual satyagraha and the Quit India movement. During his period in jail, Acharya Vinoba read and wrote a lot and wrote 3 major books: Swaraj Shastra, Sthit Pragya Darshan and Ishavasya Vrit. He was released from jail on July 9th, 1945 and returned to Pavanar in Maharashtra and continued working there under directions of Gandhiji.
Independent India had seen the sacrifice of Bapu and the division of the country. Acharya Vinoba Bhave reached Delhi and started the resettlement of Mave Muslims of Rajasthan.
The first meeting of Mahatma Gandhi and Vinoba Bhave on 7 June 1916 has its own simplicity. On that day, Vinoba reached Mahatma Gandhi's Kosharab ashram in Ahmedabad, and when the two met for the first time, they realized that there was an eternal bond between them. This bond continued throughout Vinoba Bhave's life as he stayed true to Gandhian philosophy forever.
His most important contribution was redistribution of land among sharecroppers under Bhudan movement through a change of heart of big landowners, which was among Mahatma Gandhi's core beliefs. He also raised awareness about the negative effects of alcoholism.
भारतीय लोकमत, भारतीय संस्कृति, भारतीय हवा, ये तीनों शराब के लिए प्रतिकूल है। शराब में हानियाँ बहुत है। जहाँ तक गरीब जनता का सवाल है, वहाँ तक अगर हम शराब को नहीं हटाएंगे तो गरीबी हटेगी नहीं। गरीबों का अत्यंत नुकसान होगा।
With his footing firmly on ground realities, Acharya Vinoba Bhave thought about peaceful revolution of Bhudan.
Talking exclusively to All India Radio, eminent Gandhian Damayanti Pani, Secretary, Madhya Pradesh Gandhi Smarak Nidhi, Chhattarpur, talked about the philosophy of Bhudan and Acharya Vinoba Bhave's role in it.
विनोबा जी का भूदान यज्ञ वसुधैव कुटुंब का जीवंत उदाहरण है। विनोबा जी भूदान यज्ञ में कहते हैं, जब समुद्र लांघ नहीं सकते, आकाश को बांट नहीं सकते, सूर्य व चंद्रमा को छू नहीं सकते, तो पृथ्वी भूमि को कैसे बांट सकते हैं? उस जमीन पर पृथ्वी पर रहने वाले सभी प्राणियों का बराबर का हक है। विनोबा भावे ने 7 मार्च 1951 को सेवाग्राम आश्रम छोड़ दिया और अगले 13 वर्ष और 1 महीने में उन्होंने 43,000 मील पैदल यात्रा की। 6 अप्रैल 1964 को वे सेवाग्राम पहुंचे। देश के 5,50,000 गाँव में से 1,60,000 गाँव ने ग्रामदान किया। भूदान आंदोलन को 50 लाख एकड़ जमीन मिली और उसमें से 13 लाख एकड़ जमीन वितरित कर दी गई। सर्वे भूमि गोपाल की। इस तरीके से उन्होंने जय हिंद की जगह जय जगत का उद्घोष किया।
The grandson of English poet Lord Alfred Tennyson, Hallam Tennyson, who was with Acharya Vinoba during his Padyatra, says in his book The Saint on the March,
Even in saints, there is a tiny bit of possessiveness, pride due to the sacrifices they have made. But Vinoba never allowed any of these to affect him, and he never told anyone to emulate him.
All India Radio salutes the Padyatri saint who remained committed to Gandhian philosophy and cause of landless peasants throughout his life. That brings us to the end of this episode of Azadi Ka Safar with AIR News. See you in the next episode tomorrow.